Yo, short boss, big up yourself. Fully Gaza, shorty, big up. Cheese it. Yo, short boss, big up yourself. Fully Gaza.
How much kill this?
How?
Bro, I have 4 phones in. I have one unimportant. I have one where for family and people. I have one where international and one where business. I depend on the one where I hardly use. And then a message me have, and then it's like, I don't know why so many people them number delete. So I talk to them, I don't know who I talk to. So
yeah.
I'm skeptic.
You have one unimportant?
Yeah. That's the all time number where everybody would have. So you have people call me like I want office phone for booking, right? You don't know after a time a number just get ragged out, man.
I understand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand.
The total, bro, we there wait on the total. See what like people them come back over here, brother.
Yeah. So people, send it. Go and send in the one that can send in, please.
Let me know there Jamaica for them come rap me. Just fix things and send money go buy and do it.
Can't, brother.
Yeah, can't do this.
People, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. Send when they can send. Over the Easter holiday, or give back to the people of Jamaica, or credit to the Chatterland family, Ramesh Entertainment. Okay? Send when I can send.
The people in Barcelona, we need to know 3,000 what?
Hold on, people, hold on.
People say with him, not even calculate time, can't check too fast.
Yeah. I don't have 5 phones like Ramesh, I have 1 phone.
Okay. It's a damn liar. So where the pan right now? Your laptop?
My iPad with the pan.
Oh, alright.
Sure. Use the iPad for the show, remember phone right, sir. Okay. 3 camera phone, 3 camera.
So how would that run is a Polo?
So you have your phone camera going on straight, sir.
Oh.
The 3 camera you have. It goes straight down.
I want iPhone, my laptop now, the new iPhone. I don't know what I mean, go straight down.
So flip on the camera apart, me see it?
I mean flip around my camera apart.
One the phone you just shown just now.
This?
No, not that one. They show one other phone. Maybe that other phone.
That one, yeah?
Yeah, which phone that? An iPhone that?
No, I'm not. I only my foreign phone, the iPhone. I don't like iPhone.
This Nicky there.
New Samsung.
Yo, well, Anna, Nicky Black's most can make reach your number because Nicky Black's keep a party last night.
Yeah, rich.
Bumbleclad.
Where's Nicky?
But are there right now?
Oh, I mean, no, say her ear hot up on her eyelash well long because party keep last night.
Probably because champagne splash get away to no wash them off.
She good, man. Sure.
But I send request that Papa we should never mention about the money out Bumbleclad should there.
The cloth eyelash flicking.
Good night.
Good night. Ramesh, good night, you know?
Nicky, you tired? You want a foot rub? You walk too much last night at the party?
No, I never walk too much. I got the bar and the whole of the back of them myself. I never have to move.
They don't know that? I know me hear about your party.
Shampoo done. Yeah, my shampoo. Champagne done long time and restock.
I say 128 bottle of champagne and 42 NSA and 3 bottle of Ace of Spades. So, yeah,
no, good. I never so much.
So how do I tell life on the party, sir?
And let me tell him that, you know.
I chew the big star them in there, understand me? Dexter that.
And let me tell him that.
Dexter that the in there, you understand me? Party with the ladies and go about 4 keys. Yeah. Ramesh, where your money there?
Yes, me there I give back to the people in Jamaica. That's why we call if I get sitting from you too.
Oh, me have $100.
No. That is not. I can't buy 1 bottle of champagne, Bertie. Listen, we know all that we have bills, but it's $300 for a bottle of champagne at the party.
No, $200.
Well, give me 200 then. Give me 200. We not kill you.
Alright, Lava, $200.
Everybody having a head?
IP?
Just two. Only just two.
Yeah, we're not crave. We're not crave. We thank God for
easy.
I'm up to them. So 2 bills lava to the cash up right now.
Right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Anytime. So
practice beauty.
Lord God, that's why trick me.
No, you know, you
never send me a DM. You know where the suit is I'm buy for you?
But we had 100 blood clot time.
Oh, you don't send me a picture?
Because I did it on Facebook and on my head top.
Brother, you're not a BFM, man. I could have even DM me one picture and say, Ramesh, how me look?
Ramesh, upon my head top, me then people dance in my clothes.
Send me a picture, I want to see.
Me not a picture, one video upon my head top.
Ramesh, you know, Ramesh, a young boy, she like, you know.
Wicked lava show him the video when my upside down. Show him can you walk and show him a blood clot body, show them. Because when they tell to watch my pussy, you start watch Silone pussy. What a boy if you watch blood clot pussy, you soon need one extension glasses. Blood clot. Stop watching my brother. You tell the whole world I have young boy. You see me no man lava, you ever see me that man for you know me? You never see me that man for you know me. All you had plan to do a mash up my thing. But find one big man where you tell the man be single. Suppose the man I watch your bumbo clot show. I want to your brother. Bumbo clot man.
Jesus, peace.
I want to your brother.
Nikki, take time with him. Just send 250 to cash up there. Yeah, baby, love you later.
No, Ramesh.
250, yeah.
Ramesh. Look on what good Nikki right here, sir.
How much you bumbo clot?
What, yo? Good ear.
What's our customer?
Because he dropped me.
We come after dance?
No, because he dropped me.
Watch it.
Him weird. He dropped me.
Yeah.
I sing song we have here.
Yeah, you know, like you be at the picnic Sundance, go outside and go outside for 1 minute and you do the whole
and then stretch me. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look at good Nikki. The good ear put on it and the man of our sweep the floor.
Which part did the lava?
I hear a party.
Alright, so what have a problem? I'm going to come mash it up and go and start for me head up.
Yo, hey boy, I know you chat to Nikki too, you know, because remember say you want Nikki to come get party strength, and I want to back up.
No, she's her family, not do that.
So what? But if you are going to come and violate her, she get her feelings and don't come nowhere.
No, you're not going, no, with me and Nikki, you're not going. No,
Yo.
The chat a lot of family and them liars.
Let's make Nikki come off her phone so Nikki can send it 250 now, no, brother.
She may not come for the phone.
Hold on.
She have more than one phone.
Hold on. Dominic.
Yeah. I wish I be Ruben.
Dominic. Yeah. Send 250 out of cash app to $ Lava Sound.
That's not I went to reach.
Send a request. Send a request, Lava.
I went to reach.
Tell him to send it, man. Come here, check up something, sir.
Somebody said 200. All right, at 200.
Nikki,
yes.
Look at 250. Me agree to brother. Stop listening, people, man.
All right, 250. Dominic, let me see phone. Let me type in his name.
Yeah, 250, Dominic.
No, I'm not going to send it to the wrong person. It's $.
See, drop that. $ Lava Sound.
$ Lava Sound. Hold on, Lava. I'm not playing my thing, you know. I will come on to people and give back. Me not stay there. So you want to get the money, Lava?
No, you have back problem.
In my back problem.
Aww.
But it's alright.
Dwayne Bestwick.
Jesus Christ.
Mr. Dwayne Bestwick?
I'm not even one little fucking you like that, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Dwayne, did you got to do
it? It say come like, but they don't know if I say.
Alright, Lava, check your cash out. Dominic.
Lava, I get it.
Check your cash out, Lava.
We get the money now. We can't do that now. Me put the rest.
No,
alright, Nikki, look at one mama. Big up yourself.
Alright, big up. You find it, Lava?
Yeah.
You see?
Hold on there.
Check it for so Ramesh no cost me.
250, you get it. We get it.
Alright, thank you. Wanna have a happy Easter.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Alright, big up Ramesh.
Yeah. Lava, I'm telling you, if they are big for 100, she come, but I'm going to get 150 more upon it, brother. I don't know what people talk, brother.
I'm good, man. We get the money, let me put the rest.
Let me get the money and put the rest. Yeah, you try to style Nikki, what are we doing?
Anyway, everybody type doing now.
And I'm doing alright at the last name fuck up. Where you lost him again? Bird, which? Where you say you lost him here? Anyway, how much that we got? How much that we got now?
I don't know.
The people them ask Lava how much you put in. Because them say Ramesh put and everybody put. How much you put?
That's me put the rest.
What is the rest?
Sean, how much money we got already? How much we collect right there, sir?
I want to my phone, brother. I saw when...
Yeah, man. We don't fuck up my brain look while I go. Nickelback something like me real crasses, you know. When you can't stop type that now, you know.
Oh, Beswick. Mr. Beswick. Listen me now, Mr. Beswick. How much money we got now, Mr. Beswick? We present on stage from the Lava Sound and the...
Walla. Sean Paul over here. Sean Paul is over here.
Yeah, man, I show my life. Him come over here. Film time.
Okay. No problem. Sean Paul, we're going to add you on the live. Alright, 10% the request now, Ramesh.
Eh?
10% the request.
No, man, I host, man. Talk to the big artist, man.
Yeah, Sean Paul, President, good night. Dirty Paul. Yeah, we need you over here tonight, please.
A dirty, eh? Anytime you see a dirty, Mr. Beswick and dirty, eh?
Yeah. Sean, where you there? Yeah, Sean Paul, where you at?
I must say a star and him could have there one place where he can't answer and he can't pressure a star, you know?
Okay, I show that still. Oh, no, the boss send request, I want to you.
Oh, sick lad, them dead.
Yeah, well, so we square off now, right? It's 10, right?
Him can give 5, man.
Pleasant good night.
Sure,
yes, I.
Oh, Rasta.
Dark
Yeah,
Sean Paul, where you going with?
We're up on the roof for smoke and watch, you know. When I do, give him money.
Man, I watch on the town.
For the Easter holiday, for the Easter holiday, Chatham Law from the Ramesh Entertainment, just I give some grocery, Easter bun and cheese and rice and flour to people in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, I'm down, man. What I say?
So all right then. So the cash app is there, the PayPal is there, and the Zelle is there, right there. So share the send where you can send right there. So me not gonna steal like Ramesh. I tell you how much to send. Just I tell you send where I send. Not gonna tell like Ramesh.
When the people them call, we make their money get cheesy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, ready, man. So
I think we need like $2,000 more to make it 10,000. Our spirit off, right? So.
Alright. So
what
we need now, we need Ramesh should just give me name them or whatever, I'm deal with it, see me?
No, right there, so on the live, you see the cash up right there, so on the PayPal and the Zelle right there, so.
Brother, you know, so I don't know to do them something, man.
Me link him and me tell you who to drop it off, man. Them man did them thing, I cash and deliver them deal with that boss, you know.
Okay, alright.
You know it go Ramesh, man.
I do the Zelle and the pay and the
rent. I don't know to do them something there, brother. But that's not if just have a big heart. But yeah, we say $2,000.
Yeah.
So wait, I go get the people, them.
Grocery, where I get them that $2,000 can feed about 40 family. So we're gonna buy them, we're gonna get grocery. We call them care package and get them.
Yeah, nice things. Yeah, man, what you wanna go on with, man? I love it.
Yeah, respect for that.
Respect me,
love that vibe there, see me?
See you there.
Yeah.
Man, something.
Yeah,
so it's at 10 in the night you go?
Yeah, the
$2,000 already. Me put $2,000 and the rest of people them I put some 1,000 and 5 and 3.
Right. So we don't want the $2 more grand now straight after the 10 grand. So like when the show just restart, but the show just we have 10 grand now, so that's one and so what more we can do.
Yeah.
Because the show Jamaica and it's locked down, you know, and them give them a certain amount of time now. You see the weekend locked down, so them can't really get forgot nowhere at all.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. And the thing dread out there, so I'm glad to be involved, bro. Just make me know that Ramesh what I'm going to do.
Yeah, man, I link your road team, I make them know, see?
Alright, my dad.
Alright, respect again. Yeah. Sure. Alright. Dirty,
yeah.
Never ever want to start the live and see it there. Good things in my big back for the live. People are Jamaican enough love me.
True. Yes, that was it. Yeah. Big up Sean Paul for that one there. Sean Paul, big up yourself. Yeah.
Hold on, make a message there. Jade, shout Bama. Them say G come on the live and say my fix things for the care package or lava me and give out the week. You hear? Good. As you wake up, if you're not asleep, do it now. Remember you're not a man, Jade. Good. Yeah. Anyway, people still want to reach 2 grand until we get that. 10 grand until we get that. Come in. Where is the people them there? Who is there? What me lava? You know another friend? Nobody.
What me just tell you say?
Yeah. What you say?
Wait just tell people him say.
Until we get there, and done a shout him G. Alright, see it there. See Sean say my shout but my for fix things, so we're good.
Alright then.
So that means so we reach the 10 grand, but no still can go and work man till the night done. That
okay.
But you have bed for go, you can go on the
No, but that's what
you
you're
can go on and
talking
stay up on the life with the people, let me know. Suppose 2 more artists for no artists them just a roll up, remember midnight?
That's true, them have nothing else to do.
Them say everybody attack Dexter up.
Man, look up Dexter up there now.
Yeah. Them say me feeling Shensia. People, Shensia give me fair money towards the care package and what we do last week.
Right.
Yeah, people attack the whole of the artists them. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, I mean, the whole of them, of course.
Big up Sean Paul. Big up
Sean Paul, big up.
DJ. Big up Shensia. Big up Jesse Royal.
Yeah.
Because them 4 artists that were me just called helped me last week.
Okay.
No other artists never helped me. And then Sean Paul come and help you tonight.
Yeah,
so I want to do the maths.
Yeah.
I want to do the maths. You understand?
Yeah.
I want to do the maths. Good.
Yeah.
Anyway, careful how you are the whole artists. Remember, I might have to come off some artists in my life. People, me tell you this. Last week when I do the little care pocket and the thing, them see, I look on the people and I tell them, say, yo, you see when you do them something, yeah, I don't have back ego or nothing. I don't do this for a friend. I don't do this for a fame. I do this for the people at Jamaica. So, if I have to deal with people who I'm not good with, just forget these stuff, I go do it. If I have to deal with corporate brands to show them, say, Digicel give me money and I big up Digicel and Flow come. Digicel can't tell me so I can't take it. Because I not do it for now. And a party I keep this way, make a country and people them better.
That's true.
So I idea the people them have to understand this. I don't need for friend nobody, I don't need for one a friend. We just want to come here so we get the funds, we go do the work and we deliver it. Remember saying not stop here, so this is the first something where we get the funds. Then the second thing is to go and buy the product, package them, and then find who we're going to give. And then the hardest thing is to go out there and give everybody.
Real talk.
Good.
Business are business.
And this is not even business. This is we doing stuff out of the kindness of our heart and utilizing our time and our platform to make people better. You see me?
I say, who drop over here now?
I remember say Lava mash up the whole of my night tonight. He must say, yo, I go up on the live there, so I have to just go and kneel night and make sure nobody come in my room.
What is that?
Yeah, I couldn't make no girl come look for me today, because if my woman see this and hears a woman, then I get beaten.
So where that woman over there last night?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you mean by no you're talking about? The woman you say you yell it out one, and then after 2 tours, one was on the way, and they say you soon call back if I go downstairs, go let her in because the hotel way there, you have to use a key for come upstairs. You forgot? Right, hello? Okay. Okay.
Yo, Shensia run me off my life.
Rascal, Shensia there. Just say we have work to do. But Shen the man over there, sir.
No, she don't know how to go. I'm going to choose a message up on the next one. I'm going to answer.
Shit. No one Shen come back up over here now, you know.
Yeah, remember my boss that me for work, yeah?
I'm not saying nothing.
Yeah.
Damn.
Bossy, give me 1/2 an hour. Give me 1/2 an hour there. Give me 1/2 hour.
Yeah, Shen, yeah, half an hour.
A good cause today. We raise some money for your family in Jamaica. Don't pressure me.
Yeah. Now give me years. Do.
Yeah, no me get the box and go with. Lincoln, add Lincoln.
In there?
Add Lincoln, tree that. Add Lincoln right now.
Lincoln, send a request right now.
Yo, see the man name, they touch you something, brother. You're so lazy, brother.
Nah, man, when you do it like that, you don't really pop up. When you send a request, my youth. When send a request, Lincoln send a request. Man, me just a seat, man, a seat a pop up my youth.
So Lincoln Tree that the people must say.
Man, you shut the fuck up, Entourage, man.
Yeah.
Wait, all right, they see it. It don't
No,
have the request section.
Entourage broke for them.
No, him just come up on the phone look while ago and cuss me for no reason.
Cuss him for him, alright. I remember him use the whole of his money and try to fly first class with him, alright.
Oh, yeah. But we never tell that. Oh, you know that? Jesus God. The man upgrade him seat just to come on my phone and show me. See, me now say that pop up for Lincoln right or so.
Lincoln cause because Lincoln have him drive up in a big vehicle and feel like
the man use the whole line money when he get over the weekend for upgrade to first class.
No, you can't say that still. Remember, say the man have business now, bro. The man have sell them weed, something they will blend up a thing them, you know.
Okay, but as a young youth, me make sure say man you don't try to do it for proof to me and proof to nobody.
Pure old girl him chat to brother, so him have money, man. Pure old girl.
Yeah, but the man upgrade him seat, my youth.
You watch them people that type out them something. Hey boy, money fund. Let me tell you this, man. Me send up in your Wi-Fi now. Chuck down and put me in.
Well, Lincoln seat, me now say that pop up for Lincoln, right, so.
So me can't add people. So me can't just type the man name I want me. You can't type him name and just add him.
The woman, no. Hold on there.
Yo, people might tag on Nicky man. Yeah,
man, so we stay over here, man.
Yeah. Hold on, if Nicky come on, fix me here then. People look on my hotel room. Look on my roof. Things rough, boy. Yeah. They've done paint. I've been in one hotel in a lava.
Yeah?
But they can't find Lincoln it. Easy 1,000 all this.
Fine. Alright then. Lincoln, send a request now. I don't know if I follow me, I have to follow what the case might be.
I would have done that for me, though.
Oh?
I shouldn't have come on the bill to be.
No, man, you're going to make too much nice in the hotel room and the people are taking calm down your nice.
You can't tell me nothing.
What do you mean? Lincoln, send a request now. Him still over here? See me that search my big finger, most exercise a pussy lad. Do the whole on there.
One thing with you now, slow when it comes to social media.
Stay your ass. I mean, first I tell about them because something I don't see him pop up it now.
Yo, people might tag Joe Biden. Yo. Lord Travis Joe come and say, hello, my people of Jamaica, I love you all.
Wait, Auntie, what do you mean by love or fuckery? When I come down your fucking self?
Brother, stop giving man attention now. Hold up now.
Yeah, when I keep on a type that?
Joe Biden this?
Yo.
Nah, me I send request to the man, my youth.
But the man they on the live, dog.
My youth, I can't press upon the man name like that and add him. Nah, he keep on a
send request, if him send request, it pop up in a request part.
Okay,
you're not find Lincoln and you find the crosses, yeah, brother.
Oh, we might call crosses.
I don't know now.
Brother, you make up your mind if you're a
still not see.
You make up your mind yet?
Yeah, every time man just want this man, you know, that. So I'm going to chat to people, you know.
They are coming for some of your lava, they are going good tonight, they want to load up lava.
So you see, look now, you see him? Me not see him.
I see him on the live, brother.
No, but me...
Lava, you might go see more than you on the live.
No, what? No.
To Lincoln right through. You would not go see much. But see man name the bro God.
See, no, look at my top. Me not see him picture pop up on the something. And just a voice hello me that here.
Yo, I don't know where them get dinosaur phone for, you know.
Yeah, look what I'm going to be. See, you're going to send a Lincoln over here, sir. Lincoln, send a request to the people and be.
Brother, remember Lincoln rich, you know, you have to know. You can't make him just send a request, so you know, you have to try to find him, brother.
Alright then. May I look, may I search you something again?
Most time people are typing Lincoln name. You sure you spell it right? And a Lincoln Navigator, you know, is L-I-N.
Me nah, and me I spell nothing.
So why you can't go in a search and just search name and just press join or something?
I'm going to send you a request every minute. I see him right there, sir. I'm not seeing my name pop up. Even if I send request come. Just, I look how cheese just send a request. All right, Mr. Chi. All
Bro,
right, so
you don't see them something because those are people you talk to every day.
Perfect. Me not send a link on all now. Link on or send a request.
Yo, look at the navigator down there, man.
See it? Me not send a link on over here, so.
But you not follow you. It's hard to see.
Yeah, me just start following back. So me just start following back. If him send a request, me not see it.
Him not follow you. Never read.
No, but me just start following him.
That me I tell them one. And I can't tell the people, people are dead with laugh.
See it? Nah, see him.
Alright, look now. We're not going to kill a night on that. What are we going to do?
True.
Me talk to him. Lincoln and my brother. And I know so once to say we had a good thing for Jamaica. I'm ready. Lincoln a good youth.
Yeah, a good youth.
I'm just not going like them not like you because you talk straightforward. What?
That's true. Bumbuckler, no. Fuck, you know. Well, on this.
Find him?
No, I need somebody to find.
Pussy clot.
Bumbuckler. Fuck, you know. The boss. Salute. See that? See that? See that? So Lincoln just forward back there. So Lincoln just forward back there. Lincoln.
Yo, talk PG where they are, son, brother.
Well on there.
Yeah, man, what up?
African, good night.
Good night. What's up?
We're here right now. We're planning to give back some grocery Easter bun, such and such, for the Easter holiday for people back in Jamaica, right?
Hold on, let me go inside, man. Enough my fucking loud as shit. Alright, what's up with the Easter thing? What's up?
Yes, man, courtesy Romeich Entertainment and Chat and Laugh family, you know, say, holiday come up right now in Jamaica this coming weekend, and the man a lockdown from Friday, they can't go outside or nothing, so we decide, all right, then we're going to give back to the people in Jamaica some grocery Easter bun and cheese and sugar, rice, flour, whatever. So that's a look contribution from who can get it from. We're not going to tell you how much we want still, but we know we reach at least $1,000 need from you.
$1,000? Jesus Christ. Don't worry, man. I'll send you the money in a second. That's your Zelle?
Zelle or PayPal.
Don't worry, man. I'll send something right now, man. Everything's good. Actually, hold on 1 second. We'll see. Well, I gotta come off this shit to send it, so I'll send it in a few, okay?
Oh, so how much I gotta send? $1,000?
Actually, I have an idea. 1 second. You see, I'm having a fucking party now. I got some rich friends outside too, so hold on 1 second.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Romeich, so like a yellow no bumbuckler rich people.
Okay, rich people. All right, rich people up there. All right, Romeich, this one named Alfie.
Alfie, what up, Alfie?
No, wait 100 from you. Yeah.
Romeich want some money.
Hold on, my nigga, we're doing a donation, man. Calm down. We're doing a donation for Jamaica for Easter.
Okay.
So 100 from Alfie.
Right.
Yeah, count. Gaza, the boss over here. Yo, Romeich, you see him?
What up, Gaza?
Guys, yo, Romeich, you see Gaza over there?
Yeah.
Gaza, what up, son?
Yeah, hey man, Romeich up there. Listen, another 100. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit! The super boss. The super boss.
The big boss right here. We need 1,000 from him.
A super boss.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, money right there. We got my next boss, Mikey.
Yeah.
All right. Hold on, you counting or not? Are you counting? Lava, you counting or not, man?
Yeah. How much?
How much you up to?
Alfie 100.
Gaza?
1,300.
Gaza, how much? 1,300.
Jesus Christ, man, you skipping numbers, bro. All right.
They have
we got Shabba.
1,000. Follow me.
And we got Shabba pot. and we have Shabba over here, so. Watch. Hold on, you think I'm lying? Bye, baby. Yeah. All right, watch. Listen, man. I'm going to collect the money from everybody right now.
Please.
Alfie, come on, give me 100. You see? Watch it.
Alfie don't like spending. Watch him now.
He might fill up the money.
I take cards.
So the boy Alfie go on one. Gotcha, he might account on all the money and then take out 100. See, let's start it.
That's 100.
You're right. Gaza.
Bumba,
Yo, man, them jump off in the pool to pussy class.
Yo, the man him cut left for African.
You see? Hold on. Look. Look at that. All right.
See there?
Shabba, what up, man?
Man, I'm going for the money.
Yeah, man, I feel right name, Shabba. Me.
Me right name.
Yo, I asked you already if you need help and I said nothing. No, you gotta tell me straight. Hold on.
It's coming.
What's
Yo, guys,
Shaq
what you
doing
ready, man? What guys are going on, man? Must collect from everybody tonight. Don't worry yourself, man. Everybody.
Can collect a $50 from the girl, them thing, you know, not to take everything.
No.
Okay,
No.
That's
No. That's the girl. Hold on.
I mean, you don't say with a partial, you know.
You know that.
Hold on. Let me see how much I have. I don't think I have that much money, but let me see. 1 second, please.
Watch out. Watch your stock, though.
Ain't no stock, man. What you mean stock?
Watch your stock.
No stock.
Come on, man. I know you, man. Come on, man. Fuck you talking about African. Come on, African enough. Okay.
No, I ain't got that much money, man. No, but we got all the money. Stop it nice.
Okay, let me see that.
We got 2 from those motherfuckers running and shit. Yo, guys, I need $200 from you, man. Stop playing around.
Yeah, man, let's put it for them and take it back from them, G.
Yeah.
No, man. I don't trust them niggas like that.
Yeah, man, may I bridge them.
We're going to send the whole 1,000 next, okay?
All right, then. So.
Yeah, plus them 300 that we collect, so 1,300. Respect African.
Go, miss, leave me alone, man. All right, so.
See that?
1 second.
Sorry. See that? He's African. He's African, all right?
All right, we're good now. Now we're good now. I'm not telling you now. All right?
All right, so the PayPal there and the Cash App and SL is there.
All right, listen, people, listen. Happy Easter. Enjoy your Easter.
Right.
And listen, remember last year this time, people was dying and shit, so be happy we are alive now, all right?
Real time.
All right?
Big up, Africa. Big up.
Gaza,
Hey, Gaza.
Little bro, what up?
Gaza, change your name.
huh?
Little bro, what up? Bro, what up?
What's your name? What's 2 bills? 2 bills? Yeah, man. See?
All right, see, there are 1,400 that know in African.
So everything's good. We're going to send the money right now.
Thank you very much.
All
Sean,
right.
make sure you're right on, you know.
Salute.
Right, thank you very much. Thanks. All right, then. How much have we got now? Ramesh?
Brother, you joke out the money. You know? Remember, the man agree for get 1,000 and then the man go ask him friend. That's a laugh for the money. Now, I'm tell you, brother. You're going like an hour money. People
So when you chat, fuck him, not for laugh, brother.
So you have pressure the man, you're a friend, I don't know him.
No, but in the day when I go up and do a mission, baby, you not run joke on mission, come and go laugh.
You not run joke, you run joke. When I pressure the man say, yo, him get 1,000 and him go to ask him friend and then him get 400-600 and him I say 1,000 still. I want him to you, brother.
Yeah, but you know me when we go up on a mission, you not run joke, brother, man. Be serious, bro.
Yo, you know where they live? Go for the stock there.
No, I must have fly them there right now.
Find them. Reach it quick.
All right, then. Lincoln over here now.
Yeah, find Lincoln. Remember, Lincoln have big business. Powerful.
Where Lincoln gone now? Lincoln, me see that type of long. Where you gone now, Lincoln?
Yo, them man must say a bro after, and yo, God knows.
Hold on there.
Hello, Zoe Great Money. I'm no beggar. I'm a businessman. I don't beg people. I don't owe people. I'm a businessman, and I am pushing here, and I am bartering with persons to get money for my people in Jamaica. Right now, we're looking at, when we start at night, we're going to the Bun and Cheese, and a person in Lava that we're going to give packages to people. So we're leaving from Bun and Cheese right now to bully beef and rice and sardine and crackers and all kind of things. And now we're looking at
Lincoln forward back. Lincoln forward.
Yeah. Pussy clad Lincoln yesterday, the $50,000 trade. Powerful. Lincoln. Remember say them not like you in Jamaica?
Shut and laugh, have a buzz.
What you say?
Remember say them not like you in Jamaica, so we have
I know.
We have them love you now. So here what? Lava say I want to give people them Bun and Cheese, and I say, yo, we have to go so and give them some more care package. Touch him on the Rolex, man, you blind me, yeah. So I go so now and I tell him, say, yo, my brother Lincoln, we just see him drive past and dip on a little yacht with some caviar and something. So call him, because we know say me give you something powerful towards the people of Jamaica. And not for no hype, and not for no brag, but we're going to feed some people who need it, my G. You see me I say?
Right.
Yeah, so anything at all, we not put a figure to it. We know you're rich, and you know, we're not putting a figure, but we just want a powerful donation because tomorrow we're going to, right now when we start to say we have 10, 20 people, we have feed 200 people so far, so do what you can do, my brother.
Right, so the PayPal, the cash up there and the Zelle is there.
May I say $1,000?
Pussy class. See there?
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Hold on, I forget him promo. With blood clown now done, my bridges, you know. Listen me, people, when now get what, we have to buy a powerful tablet. Yeah, that's the fuck with the girl.
Well, I'm going to take up the comment them. No, go back. No, I'm take up the comment them.
Yeah.
No, people want to see it. People want to see it better. Because see, go again.
Why?
The comment them that hide your section.
No, I'm want to see the people must say we can't go to the big farm.
No, all right. Do go back right now. Really, no, brother. Promote the man better than that, brother. We don't even know what the back look like.
Yo, Shining Star and you fall 2 times in one night. How are you, man?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I
the
told
man
you
have
that
a tablet named Powerful. Love, I know you want to know about the tablet because you get all in your age and you need it.
Okay, so show the back. Show what you look like.
Yeah, me post it when me done. Powerful tablet, man.
Yeah.
$100 for your buckle.
So all I know the buckle.
Boy, you know what? We go mad, boy. About 2 months ago, we go mad.
About 2 months ago.
And look for me and say, Ramesh, them are the thing. I mean, what them are? And the man say, Ramesh, from a brother to a brother, just try one. I mean, I say, brother, I go and try one night and go in with 2. I mean, I say, the next day, I call Lincoln and say, Lincoln, I need a case.
One whole case.
Case.
Side effect.
Little headache. What you can't live with that?
Oh, me know you look aside. Yeah.
Slight headache. The heart now go and good, you know. But you make the headache where gear, it's alright because you make the ladies go, wow.
Yeah.
Lava, I think you might need that. Can you get near age?
Okay.
Yeah, Lava about 50 now. Lava, you need it.
Okay. All right. Support.
Yeah. DJ, scrappy, where the pan is a laugh. Scrappy, man, this man, you need a buckler tablet. Hey, laugh, I want about 5 cases in Jamaica to sell. Yeah. Anyway, Lincoln, remember where I link up tomorrow? Just send 1,000 from tonight. Yeah.
Alright, man, I send it right now.
Big up, my brother.
Alright, powerful.
But
yeah.
Alright. Yo, see, Nicky Sweet said you're something weak, you really need it.
Anything you don't want to say. Not for them girls where I talk, them don't even know what this feel like much as what it tastes. I talk, so you can't be about them.
Okay.
I am a straightforward man and I'm a real youth and I talk the things, you know. You understand?
Okay.
I talk the things but I don't shame. When I have a special mission, I have to get a tablet. Not a normal mission, when you have a special mission.
Okay.
So which real girl is a man out there, so where a fool with woman not take a tablet. Mad, not them time, yeah?
Me not take a tablet.
But your business where you want to say I fuck nothing. Yes, every night you crack up on this.
That's true. Alright. Never embarrass me like that. You never embarrass me like that, though.
You're born with a problem,
Alright. You still come back again. I told you from last time. I'm
anyway, you chat too much, man. Because if you never come on back on the life, you'd have gone in your bed. And now, nothing to do with the time. I will come and back on this and we raise over $4,000 in the last hour. You see what it stay? I just show you our life stay. We got over 10 gun now. We got over 10 gun.
Okay.
So make sure you count the money properly and make the people them get it and nobody put none towards your party ticket them. Please and thank you.
Chubby, madam. Chubby, don't send a request or my audio we're gonna ask the money. So better just delete by the request there.
How would they Nikki Sweets?
She write us I say really need it. I chat a lot family. Well on there. Dirty Prince.
But her picture look good. She pretty like this, real?
Yeah, man, yeah. She might have for chat a lot marriage.
Look pretty as a buzz.
Check you check your cash app, right?
Hold on.
Yeah, when send 1,500?
No. We said 9 so far. I got to send the next one again.
Real African now. Pussy class, they don't know about you.
No. Listen.
Are you want to get the 8 from?
Yeah. Yep. Now we're going to send the next 8 again. Remember, listen to me, man. Anything for the people, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah, my boss.
Well on there. Say I send 16 then.
Yeah,
we're going to send it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have more guys. Listen, I'm having a little pool party at the crib right now, so more money people coming. So why not?
Okay. That girl over there.
Understand me?
That girl over there. Fly there.
You must have a girl over there.
Which one? Which one?
Boy, Africa.
Oh, the one from last.
Yo, see, man. Yo, I saw you. Yo, God. I love it.
You'll be seeing it, you know.
Brother, how much money you want to send, so brother?
See, he said he want to give more money.
No, we have more money to give.
What the pussy them Gaza? What the pussy them Gaza?
Lincoln just sent $1,000.
Lincoln just give 1,000?
Yeah.
We are getting next 1,000.
Yeah.
Lord.
Powerful like that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Damn. What you talking about? It's lava players.
Whatever you want to send, bro. Anything you want to send. Like, listen. Remember, I got some real millionaires coming right now for the pool party. Listen, I'm gonna extort them for every money they're gonna get, and I'm gonna send the shit to Jamaica. All right,
brother. Big up. Respect.
Simple like that.
Respect.
All right? And lava.
Big up.
Yo, G. All right, man.
Lava, play one song now, man. What sing up?
What kind of song?
Just play one song now, man. Let's go have to play a song of blessing, man. Gospel song or something, man.
No, I know the right song to play for Blood Clot play right now. I play that song. Yeah. Yeah, my eye put that song, yeah. Yeah. Oh, CJ.
I understand, you know the Uptop Boss, I'm represent for Lava Son, you don't know I'm represent for DJ Lava, you don't know represent for Buzz Nation, you understand, Bronx General, the world general, you understand, kick it off like a ball of the Uptop Boss, you don't know represent for real youth. Oh, yeah, love and play, yeah, don't see a sharp and it's the sit down and I go and we'll have fights and a reminisce. But the dog them when they are with him, I know. Can't take no time for no shit. Some boy with no brother, much less love or reality. DJ Lava, them know why you're in a no Gucci. Know why you live life like you're in a no movie. See, tell us narrating. See that's a fool me. Yes, see that she give Lava. The pussy alright, so we can't do it to
Zin? Cool. I just tell my team to make sure them send them back for your Sweet 16 party, yeah?
Yeah. I used to want to lick a birthday party. Love it alone still.
Yeah, no, then always chat and laugh. You see your fool, brother?
Anything you want, Seven.
Always chat and laugh.
What yourself, man? Tell me rich friend here. Hold on, man.
Yo, it's Lincoln send the money, you know.
You seen it come here?
See there, 1,000.
Big up. See there?
Are you will get it chat and laugh merch?
Oh, hold on there. Okay, we'll have that. We'll have that other parody.
Bro, I can't tell you something. I can't tell you something.
Yeah.
You know, say big man things, yeah. You know, say you me go get cash up.
know, man. I understand you. Chubby.
Embrace me, I want to go lava.
Brother, boy, Chubby man, wake you up out of your bed, brother.
No, never asleep. Me, I watch you. What if money them, I said.
Okay, watch it like a start. Pussy clad. Alright, Romy, shoot that part there.
Chubby has sent $200.
Romy, shoot that part there.
Chubby, how much? $200 pay that?
Chubby, how much you send? Alright, listen. Once you're the 14, I'm just saying the grant and the straight out to the 15, right? That you say?
I don't know how much Chubby want to put. Anything Chubby I put, me match it.
I will put 5.
No, Chubby have to put 1,000. I can't match 500, man.
Brother, you're rich, man.
And a big bed, look at me, I want to look ugly piece of something, put a big bed, brother. That look like extra King Plus. Alright, here, I'll give you 750 and me put that at 250. Please.
That doesn't match it, Dad.
Please, it's alright, but we just want 1,000 more. Just give us 750. Remember, I put almost 2 grand already. Let's give us 750, please.
Fair enough.
Please.
Fair enough.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, big up, Briggs Avenue. Briggs Avenue, big up. Briggs Avenue, big up.
Which part that there?
Bronx that, man, nigga them.
So you fly come a Florida, me G, and I'm on.
Oh, me live a Florida, be.
Alright. Because Lava need people in party, so me I try to help him get crowd. Respect though, yeah? People in my Jamaica gonna love you and bless him. God gonna bless you. Right, true.
Yeah, man, I'm a place, man.
Alright, my brother. Big up. Love. Watch Lava. Watch him a cry over there because I'm happy to see him get promo. Watch him.
Alright. you see that smile, right?
Lava, you ever watch a talk show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? You come like the bank crying, you go sound like you get a call, you do something else.
You probably laugh, right? Well, all the people have proposed. People, big rich promoter friend them, Millamont, I keep Dexter up at Vegas, $1,000.
When you keep Dexter up at Vegas?
I'm going to show you the flyer up on my page. Up on my page. Lavish, May 29th.
Pussy clad. Come like a Dexter up and tell people in my book right show. How go on?
So, $1,000.
16 grand not to reach, and I can put the 250 pound fee in 750. You know?
But, okay. So, Sean, hope you there right on the stop them, you know.
You don't even know if Sean there, so liquor around me and she, yo, brother.
No, but you can't mix up the money coming in and a problem with nobody. Sean better right.
Bro, all the money to mix up. You get all of the money in your cash app, and me, I put $2,250. Plus the man send 200, so me have 2,400.
Listen what I'm saying to you. She can still write down some no who send yet or what the case might have.
Just go check your cash app from tonight. Anything you get, all if a booking money you get, you put in tonight. Because tonight was just for that. Yes, make up your ass face.
So my booking money become this.
You shouldn't mix it up with your thing tonight, but them send them booking money after this. I send it to your TD account or something. You can't mix up chat and laugh money with your booking money, bro. Two different business. Come on.
We never say that.
You know, I'm telling you, teaching a little old man for the business.
No, but I explain something to you.
Brother, let's don't mix up people the money, because I need to know how much I'm on.
We now mix up nobody.
So,
just no such
you
right
can
on the
go
stuff
a
them.
shop and go get something them. I mean, they're Jamaica.
Okay, okay, then thank you very much. Share a lot of
so
share
line up
stuff.
the thing and load up the thing.
Now, my friend Badu that thing, guy.
Chat and laugh, everything I will take care of. You're
don't tell us, my friend.
You're Jamaica,
I say, me don't tell us, you say it already. Say my friend Badu that finger, so my friend are right. I ramp with my friend, I do that.
So she answer?
Oh, you mean? Junior P, big up yourself. Junior P, Soul Supreme, GX, Rico, big up.
Call her back.
I call her back right now.
I will see paper. I'm better so she not going to answer. I'll show you how she wicked.
She have to answer. She can't run put me.
She write quick, right now. Look, you can see her writing them different for them last number.
Yeah. Alright. I look for her name, I just say. Sean, she have to answer. She can't run put me.
Yo, I'm make sure the she answer for me. I'm going to hear me here.
Good. Yeah, but I'm going to just get ears as I don't know that. Sean, me not see you, Sean. Yo, Snoop, big dog. Snoop, big up yourself, you know. Hold him for try to fight against me. You're mad.
Say it's true.
Them, man.
From 2 Easterbourne to look here.
Right.
Pussy clot. Me?
What you mean?
Yo, me need a security for the next rest of the week. A bad man gonna come attack me and send two over to place. Yeah.
Alright, you can't do that for true. Cause you just never know.
Yeah.
You never know for true. A Florida there, though?
Me don't know what me there.
Hey, but if you should add Suku.
What, 21? Oh. Yo, me see one blue tick man come and say name Mato J Music. How him?
I know.
Him have blue tick, so he must reach in. Try add him now.
Charge him?
Yeah, try add him. Mato J Music.
Send a request.
Anytime we see blue tick company live, we turn group, you know.
Yeah, man, send a request.
We'll Google him too.
Google him right away.
Yeah. No.
Sean, where the Sean? Sean, the lights soon finish, you know. I want to go start back.
Yeah, man, him look rich, man. Him have 102,000 followers. International recording artist, actor, entrepreneur. Yo, come in.
Alright, that's not more. It's time for send a request.
Mato J Music, send a request.
Pussy clad, see there? This something just pop up and say minute and add there now.
Wow, already we do 1 hour already?
Yeah.
Alright, people, thank you so much. You all were wonderful tonight. All the people them that give. Love you all. See the cash app,
everybody.
see the Zelle, see everything right there, so still can send. We'll collect till 12 o'clock tomorrow, and then we'll make an announcement tomorrow. You're doing live tomorrow, sir?
No.
Why? You have a show? You have a show tomorrow?
Okay, I'll do it tomorrow. Okay,
come in and chat and laugh tomorrow just for an hour to tell the people what is going on, okay? That's
okay,
an
no
order.
problem, sir. What time? By like 9:30, 9 o'clock.
Your people in my foot next to again, man.
Need them. Say, yeah, you're pulling up that.
Yeah.
How is Sean there?
I shouldn't say them over there, listen to you know. Yeah, there. Give my love.
Pussy clad.
Now I got strap it up.
So what you gonna do? So what you gonna do now? So what you gonna do here now? I hear that now. What you gonna do?
One for now. I'm going blood club and I make a call. Uber work, you know.
Okay. Let's ask.
Man.
Your Lincoln tree that big up, you know.